Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Notion desktop app on Mac. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall the Notion desktop app on your Mac, start by locating the Notion application in your Applications folder. You can find this by opening a new Finder window. In the Finder sidebar, click on Applications. Scroll down to find the Notion app. Once you locate it, click and drag the Notion app icon to the trash in your dock. Alternatively, you can right-click on the Notion app icon and select Move to Trash. Next, you'll want to remove any remaining Notion files. Open Finder again and click on Go in the menu bar at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Go to Folder. In the pop-up window, type in this path, /library application support /. Now, go back to the Go menu in the Finder and select Go to Folder again. This time, input the path, /library preferences /click Go. Search for any files that contain Notion in their name. If you find any, drag them to the trash as well. Next, return to the Go menu and select Go to Folder once more. Enter the path, /library caches /click Go. Look for any caches associated with Notion and move them to the trash. After you've removed all related files, right-click on the trash icon in your dock. Select Empty Trash to permanently delete all the files. That's it. You have successfully uninstalled the Notion desktop app from your Mac. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.